Euro USD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about euro against dollar, the most pair, okay, traded. And before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video, you'll find some links. It says join free Telegram channel. Go and join the free Telegram if you want some free signals every now and then. And then check out the best prop firm and the brokers, especially the broker. Go and sign up with them. I want you to sign up with these brokers and trade separately with my signals. Okay, so if you're trading on your own right now or using somebody else's signal and you have a broker account already, fine, keep it that way. But if you want to trade with my signals, please trade in a separate account using these Forex brokers, because I want you to tell me what is the accuracy of my signals going to be in the future, okay? So make sure you connect with the Telegram. I'll send you these updates in Telegram as well. So make sure you connected there. And let's get back, subscribe and do all of that. So what do we have? Euro USD, okay. Before I start the analysis, I had to tell you, I am pissing off many millionaires right now, because what I'm telling you for free in my videos, actually, that is worth thousands and thousands of dollars, and people will not like, if those millionaires, they see my videos, what I'm doing, what I'm telling you for free, that's not allowed. It should be illegal, okay? And they will hate me for doing what I'm doing, and I also hate myself. Why am I doing this, okay? So I'm not sure. Maybe I'm too much talkative. Okay, I talk too much. That's why I end up telling everything. Seriously, I should work on myself and not tell you all the secrets, okay? So why am I saying all this? You will get to know after watching this full video till the end, starting with the top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we are going down, okay? So we went up, did not break the highs, so we are going down. Hopefully, this is the trend reversal, but weekly is too far ahead. It doesn't make sense. Weekly, we are up. That's all we can say. But let's get back to Delhi. Delhi, we have something going on, man. In Delhi, okay, so we broke this high and then uptrend. So we broke this candle and made a new high, and now we're taking a look at the wow, man. Look at this long wick rejection. I love it. Okay, so look at this setup here. We were continuing down, so people must have panicked. Panics! Euro is going down. Oh yes. Then you see the long wick now. Euro is not going down as of now, when I'm recording the video, okay? So we have a fucking long wick. This is called rejection. Now, two possibilities in Delhi. This candle, it will turn blue by the end of the end of the day today. Okay, so this will turn blue, or it might break the previous low. So we are not going short until this previous low is broken. Okay, so this previous low is at 12.804, and right now we are at 12.87. Okay, so as long this low is not broken in Delhi, we are not going down. Understand? Now, what is our entry? Let's go back to 4 hour. So, did you like what I said here? Long wick rejection has come. We are going up. Okay. Then let's find the entry in 4 hour. Now, this is what people will hate me for. I can understand. I agree with them. I hate myself for doing this, because, not people should tell you all this for free. This costs thousands of dollars. Okay. You'll have to enroll into some trading course. Pay them $1,500, $2,000, to buy the course first, and then they can do these analysis or tell you what's happening. Okay, so they are right. I am wrong. I am giving this to you free for now. So I'm wrong. I know it. But let's see what will happen in the future. I don't know. Okay, so we are in the 4 hour. Quite simple for me. Look from my highs, draw the line from here till here, or maybe from till here. Yeah, that's the one. So this is the low. Okay, this fucking low is not broken by this red candle. This is called fucking double bottom. This low was not broken by this red candle. You can check from your own eyes. This candle's close, and this candle's close. This is a fucking double bottom. Double bottom is trend reversal. So we have 3 blue candles in 4 hour. And what does it mean? We're going up, baby. No fucking buddy can stop us. We're going up. Okay. So we might take down this high. Your first profit target should be this high, 1330. Go and thank me later. Okay. I should shut up. Otherwise, I will just, keep telling you like 100 pages for free, okay? So I gave you for free what I gave you. I gave you buy trade, enter long, as soon you can enter, take your profits here, and then get out, okay? Thank me later, subscribe, like, do whatever, okay? Whatever it takes, nobody else is going to tell you all this for free. And maybe I will also not tell you in the future, okay? So subscribe, like, join Telegram, and sign up with a broker. I'm telling you, trade with my signals in a separate broker account, which I'm telling you, go and sign up with them, because my signals will most likely be 100% correct. Most likely. Okay. So the time will tell. And that's why I need you people to be my, what do you call? Proofs authority. Okay, in the future you guys will tell me screenshots, sorry, you will send me screenshots that, hey TubeCore, we are making 100% profits with your signals. This is what I want to hear from you people in the coming future. So over and out, and best of luck.